Hi there, I'm Nancy, and today I want to talk about email marketing and why building an email list is something you need to start doing right now. And if you want to launch your email list in just 7 days with Kit, comment email below and I will send you all the details. Look, I've been doing this since 2009. And if there's one thing I wish I had started sooner, it's my email list. Social media is great and I love it, but here's the problem. You don't own your audience there. The algorithm decides who sees your content. One day you're getting tons of views, the next day crickets, and it's very frustrating. But with email, you are in control. You have direct access to your people. When you hit send, your message lands in their inbox. No algorithm, no guessing, just you and your audience, and that's powerful. So if you want to start building an email list, the first thing that you need is an email platform. This is the tool that lets you collect subscribers, send emails, and set up automation so you're not manually doing everything. Now, I use Kit and I absolutely love it. It's simple, it's reliable, and if you are just starting out, they have a free plan that lets you build up to 1,000 subscribers for free. So there's literally no reason not to start. If you would like to try it out, I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, once you have your email platform set up, you need a way for people to actually subscribe to your list. And that's where opt-in forms come in. Think of it like you need a door for people to walk through, and the door is your form. In Kit, you can actually create different types of forms. Some are pop-ups, some are embedded on your website, and some are landing pages with their own URL. I personally love using landing page forms because I could share the link everywhere in my Instagram bio, my YouTube description, my TikTok, wherever. So here's what mine look like. It's simple. It tells people what they're going to get, and there's a place for them to enter their name and email. Now, when you click on the form on the right-hand side, you'll see the editor. You'll see different elements that you could add. You could ask for the first name. You could add an image. You could add additional fields, whatever you want. Now, here's the tip. Don't just say subscribe to my newsletter. Nobody cares about your newsletter. They care about what's in it for them. So instead, tell them the benefits. Get weekly tips on how to grow your business or learn how to create digital products. Whatever it is, make it clear and make it valuable. And if you really want to boost your signups, offer a freebie, a checklist, a guide, a template, something that they could download right away. People love free stuff. And if it gives them a reason to hand over their email, they will. Once your form is ready, you have to promote it. And this is where most people drop the ball. You can't just create a form and hope people will find it. You have to put it in front of them. I put my newsletter link everywhere. It's in my YouTube description, my Instagram bio, my TikTok link in bio page, everywhere. And if you're already creating content, this should be easy. Just mention it. Hey, if you want more tips like this, sign up for my newsletter, link in the description. Make it a habit. Every piece of content you create is an opportunity to grow your list. All right, so now that you got subscribers, what do you do with them? You send them emails. That's the whole point, right? So in Kit, you can actually create campaigns, and that's just a fancy word for a one-time email that you send to your list. And you could design your email by using a template or start from scratch. You could add a banner, text, images, links, whatever you want. I like to keep mine simple. I have a banner, a quick intro, I add some value, and a call to action, and that's it. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to be a perfect writer. Just write like you're talking to a friend. Be yourself, and that's what people connect with. Now, once your email is ready, you choose who you want to send it to. You could send it to everyone or just a specific group of people based on tags or interests. Then you hit send, or you could schedule it for a later time if you don't want to be glued to your computer. Now, this is where things get really cool. Automations. Automations are emails that are sent automatically based on certain triggers, like when someone subscribes or clicks on the link or downloads like a freebie. And this is how you nurture your audience without lifting a finger. So for example, when someone joins my list, they automatically get a welcome email. Then a few days later, they get another email with a tip, maybe a story or a case study. I'm building trust and staying top of mind, all on autopilot. Now, you could get as simple or as fancy as you want with this, but even just having a basic welcome sequence is huge. And if you have a product or service that you want to sell, you could actually create an automation that introduces it over time. You're not hitting people over the head with a sales pitch right away, but you are giving value first, then building the trust, and then making an offer when the time is right. Look, I have tried a lot of things over the years. I have sold on eBay, flipped websites, created digital products, you name it. But email marketing, that has been the most consistent, reliable way to grow my business and make sales. Because when you have an email list, you have an asset. You have people who have raised their hand and said, yes, I want to hear from you. And that's gold. So if you haven't started building your list yet, start today. Even if you only have 10 subscribers, that's 10 people you could reach directly. And if you are already on social media building an audience, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Build your email list so you're not at the mercy of an algorithm. Now, I use Kit because it's easy, it's affordable, and it has everything I need. If you are switching from another platform, they will even help you migrate everything over. It's super smooth. All right, that's it. So if you want to launch your email list with my help in the next 7 days with Kit, comment email below and I will send you everything you need to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.